Give me 1 minute and I will change your entire perspective towards life. If a caterpillar suddenly crawled in front of you, you will feel completely creeped out. But a butterfly, you would smile. So same creature, it just transformed to a better version. A muddy patch irritates you a lot, but a lotus blooming in that same mud, it takes your breath out. So the mud didn't change, something rose out of it. A lump of coal, we don't value it at all, but put it under enough pressure and it becomes a diamond. And you can then spend lakhs for that. So same carbon but different conditions. Right time, right conditions, right way of looking at the things, then an ordinary thing, an ordinary person can become extraordinary. And what if I say you are not different from that coal, not from the caterpillar or the mud? Everything you need to transform is already inside you. You just need the right conditions to bring it out. That's what mind training does. And that's what the freedom of the mind, a one-day live experience going to happen in Mumbai on 15th of August at the Lalit will help you to figure out. Schedule a call and I'll explain how. Give me 10 minutes. I will show you the conditions that change everything. Click below, schedule the call.